Hey family and friends, today I'm going to work on these cute little gourds. Our logo is, I don't know if you can see it with there we go, is that cute gourd. And so I'm going to actually change these little gourds to look like our logo. So right now I'm just going to start by cleaning. I'm using Formula 49 that I get from my supplier, and I use it to clean the body of the gourd, get it prepared for paint, get all the dirt and debris, dust off of it. There's going to be no carving on these. I think I'm going to burn in the little face. I'm not going to paint it, I'm going to wood burn it. And we'll see how these turn out. This one's my favorite one, so I'm not going to do this one first in case I mess it up. I can mess up on one of the other ones. So now I am going to add my ink dye, and the first one I'm going to start with is called Sunflower, and it'll give it just a nice yellow color to it. Can you see that? But they all come with their own markings, and I love that because that really makes it unique. Now I'm going to start with their ink dye color of bright copper. Just put a dot on there, and I'm going to kind of work it in to this area, and I'm going to blend it into the other color. And I'm going to do it down here at the bottom. It's kind of like what our logo is, it looks like. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the green. This is a spring green. And we'll just come in with a little bit here. But we're mainly going to get this other side of the bottom part and up the other side. So I'm just going to blot it in. And you can see how it blends into the other colors. You still have a little definition of green. You have the definition of the copper, the green, and then the sunflower. Now I'm going to add a smiley face. Got to be happy. So I'm going to use a Sharpie. And it's got to have a smile. Cute little button nose and happy eyes. And just like that. Isn't that cute? I just love the smiley face. So make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.